Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. Recently, we saw that the price line of Polygon broke down the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to move more down, or is there any possibility for the reversal? But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame. And here we have already seen that the price line recently broke down this very long-term support that was not broken down since after July 2019. We had very nice bounces by this support and likely to had another bounce. Recently, we were having another bounce, but the price line broke down and now it is dropped at a key support of $1.50. And it is also moved up and have a very nice bounce by this 50 weekly simple moving average. For example, if I place a trend line here where we have this 50 simple moving average right now, that is at $1.30. Then now I'm just going to switch to the daily time frame, and we can see that the price line moved exactly at this level, tested this $1.30 where we have the 50 weekly simple moving average support, and bounced very well. Now this support, this previous support of the rising wedge pattern, can work as a very strong resistance for the price line. In order to start a big move, first the price line will need to break out this resistance that was previously working as a support. This time it will be approximately at $2.50. That will be also a very big move if the price line hits here at the resistance. Now let's move to the daily time frame, and here we have already seen in my previous video that the price line formed this head and shoulder pattern, and here we had the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and this was the right shoulder, and the price line has already broken down this neckline of the head and shoulder pattern. Now our target for this head and shoulder pattern to the downside is, if I place it here, then we can see we have the target at approximately 75 cents. But at the same time, we are having a very strong key support at $1.50. Therefore, it is possible that we will not reach that target. We can see that exactly at this $1, sorry, this is the $1.30, and this is the $1.50 support line. And we can see that we are having very nice accumulation above this support. And we also had very nice accumulation here in November 2021, and we had a very big rally. And here in October 2021, it worked as a support, and here it worked as a very strong resistance in August 2021 and September 2021 as well. And here it has been working as a support and resistance. So previous history shows that this is a very strong support, and right now it is working as a lifeline for MATIC network, because you can see already we have broken down the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and if it will break down the support, then most probably it will hit the target of the head and shoulder, that is 75 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.